Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims 4 Rags to Riches. First, begin a new game with a single Sim on an empty lot, ensuring your starting funds are set to 0 simoleons. This challenge is about building wealth from nothing, so resist the urge to use any cheats or existing family funds. Your Sim will need to gather resources, craft items, and sell them to earn their first few simoleons. Focus on developing essential skills and making connections to unlock new opportunities and progress. To earn your initial simoleons, focus on collecting. Send your Sim out to gather wild plants, rocks, and frogs, which can be found in various neighborhoods. Fishing is another excellent early income source. Catch fish in ponds and rivers to sell for a profit. All collected items can be sold directly from your Sim's inventory. As you accumulate a small amount of money, consider investing in a garden to grow and sell crops, providing a steady income stream. Once you have some funds, prioritize essential purchases. Start with a basic bed and a toilet to meet your Sim's needs. Gradually add walls, a roof, and simple appliances like a cheap fridge and stove. Focus on items that boost skills or provide comfort, such as a small desk for writing or an easel for painting. As your simoleon count grows, you can expand your home, add more rooms, and purchase higher quality furnishings, transforming your humble beginnings. For long-term success, master a high-paying skill. Painting, writing, and programming are excellent choices, offering significant income potential. Consider starting a small business, like a bakery or a retail store, to sell your crafted goods directly to other Sims. As your wealth grows, you can even invest in additional properties and collect rent from tenants. Remember to complete your Sim's aspirations and achieve career goals for extra rewards and a truly rich life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.